Hey guys, welcome to Backbench Trader. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the scalping in Bank Nifty options so that you can get the maximum profit within few minutes. So let's get started. The trade setup will be like this. We will be selling the Bank Nifty options. We will use two indicators. The first indicator is EMA 13 and EMA 50 crossover. Here EMA stands for exponential moving average. Okay. If you see this chart, this red line indicates 50 EMA and black line indicates 13 EMA. When this black line crosses red line like this, it indicates the short term bearish moment. Okay. And the second indicator is MACD bearish crossover. So whenever this red line crosses black line like this in upward direction, it indicates the bearish momentum. So we will take trade when EMA 13 and 50 crossover indicates bearish momentum as well as MACD bearish crossover. Okay. So the time frame will be 3 minutes. The condition for the trade is second candle should close below the first candle like this. This second bearish candle should close below the first bearish candle and both of this candle should be bearish one. Okay, so both candles should be bearish and should indicate the clear bearish move. If you observe this candle, there is a hesitation in the upward direction as well as downward direction. Okay, and if you see this candle, there is a hesitation in the upward direction, and if you see this candle, there is a hesitation in the downward direction. Means buyers are pushing it upwards, here sellers are pushing it downwards. Okay, so for second candle, buyers should not push it upwards, which means there should not be any wick like this candle. Okay, even if there is a wick, it should be very small. Okay, and target for our trade will be 25 points and stop loss will be 25 points. Hence risk and reward ratio will be 1:1. So let's see how this strategy can be implemented. Okay, let's open Bank Nifty chart. Check the range of first candle. The high of first candle is 29,610.90 and the low of the first candle is 29,535.95. So what we have to do is we will add a call option to our watch list which is near to high of the first candle, and we will add a put option to watch list which is near to low of the first candle. So we can add 29,600 call to our watch list and 29,500 put to our watch list, and let's see where we will get the chance for scalping. Okay, so we will add 29,600 CE, 29,500 PE. Okay, since Bank Nifty is trading positive, we will try to find the opportunities in put options. Okay, so let me clear this. As I said earlier, we will be using two indicators. First one is moving average. Okay, exponential moving average 13 period 13 exponential, and color we will give black color. Okay, now we will add MACD indicator, and we don't need to change anything in the MACD, it should be standard one only. So let's start from the very beginning. Even though EMA crossover and MACD is indicating downward momentum, but the candles are not indicating the clear move. So we will move to next pair of candle here also the range of the candle is very narrow. We will avoid narrow range candle. Okay, now if you observe here, EMA crossover is indicating downtrend, and for the second candle here MACD is also showing the downtrend, and the wick of the second candle is very small, almost negligible, so we can take trade over here. Okay, so let me mark this. Low of this candle, okay, somewhere here low of this candle is 784.85. 184.85. Target is 25. So if you subtract 25 from this 784.85, then you'll get the target. We should place target at 759.85 and stop loss at 8. Let's place the target somewhere here, and the stop loss will be 809 somewhere here, and we enter the trade at the bottom of the candle. We achieved our target of 25 points within 15 minutes. Let's look for the another opportunity in the same day. So if you look at this pair, these two candles, there is a hesitation in the second candle, which means there is a hesitation in the downwards moment. So we can avoid this pair and we can avoid this pair also. Now if you look at this pair, these two candles, there is a clear indication of downwards moment. The wick of the second candle is very small, almost negligible, so we can take trade over here. And let's mark low of the candle, and the low of the candle is 678.45. 678.45. Target will be 653.45 and stop loss will be 703.45. 653. Where is it? Here. We should place the target 653 somewhere here, and stop loss will be 703 somewhere here. Okay, so we achieved our target within 3 minutes. Now let's look for the another opportunity. Here there is a bullish crossover, so we can avoid trading from this candle to this candle. Okay, up to this candle. Let's look for the opportunity from here. Here this pair of candle, there is no clear momentum, and this pair of candle there is a hesitation in the downward movement, so we can avoid this pair of candle. And this pair of candle is, there is a hesitation in the second candle, and there is a hesitation in this pair also. So if you observe here, these two candles are showing clear downward momentum, but MACD has not crossed it, so we will take trade on these two candles. Okay, so let's mark the low of this candle somewhere here. Okay, now the low of the candle is 643.15. 643.15. Okay, so target will be 618. Target will be 618 somewhere here, and the stop loss will be 668. Okay, so this target we have achieved within 12 minutes. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.